just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hey guys, it's me Ari. I'm in Portugal. I'm in Luz at the Quinta Formosono, and the family that owns it is really nice. They welcomed me very kindly. I'm about to go food shopping downtown. I have to tell you guys, I did not sleep last night because I packed. So I'm so tired. I just slept in those two airplanes. And yeah, so maybe in total, I don't know if it's like 1 or 2 hours that I slept last. Yeah, 2 days kind of. So that's how delusional I am. So, but I want to give you a little apartment tour before I go to the city. And then of course I take you downtown because I want to show you the gluten-free food and I'm so excited. I've been here before one time for a week. And so I know a little bit of Luz, but that time I stayed in another villa with other people, and yeah. So let's go. Yeah, so that's the entrance. So that's the kitchen, and yeah, little sink, very cute everything, and they're so cute. Like they put all these shells, like on the towels. That's really cute. And yeah, that's the kitchen, and that's the oven. The cooking stove with gas. I have not done that by myself yet, I think. She showed me, so I know how to do it. That's gonna be interesting. Down here there's like, you know, kitchen utensils. And then we have the fridge. And then when you come over here, you can sit here on the stools. And you got 2 big benches. Or out there, I don't know if there. It's really nice out there. You can sit here, really cute. It's really, I sat here before when I arrived and just to calm down and, you know, settle in a little bit. And then there's like playground back there for kids, and then there's the pool. So that's fun. And then they said if you want, you can go on top. It takes like half an hour. And you have such a great view, so I might do that. And yeah, got a TV, a surfboard. I am here for surfing, so yeah. And then there's cute pictures. That's really cute. I'm sorry if I say all the time cute, but I'm just really happy about the apartment and about how the day went and the trip and everything. So I'm just happy. That's the sleeping room. Looks, yeah, really comfy. And then we have the bathroom. Yeah, with towel, soap, and again, a cute shell right here. And yep, shower, bathtub, and yep. I gotta figure that out, how that works. That's gonna be interesting tonight. And then, yep, bidet and toilet. The living area with 2 big benches, a table to eat at, and actually a fireplace down there. And they gave me like a map so I know where to shop. I kind of remember when I googled, so I will find that easy, I think. And of course I'm going to take you with me. They said also in Luz, where I'm staying the next 5 days, there's like new restaurants. I hope there's some gluten-free restaurants too, or yeah, at least with gluten-free options. So yep, I'm gonna check out downtown now and I'll take you with me, so let's go.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.